Imagine a world where the food you eat doesn't just fill your stomach, but secretly shapes your mood, energy, and even your future. What if the apple you ignored this morning held the key to unlocking your hidden potential? Or that banana you skipped could have saved you from a day of exhaustion? Dive into the fascinating story of fruits, nature's tiny powerhouses, and uncover how they influence every cell in your body. From boosting brain power to fighting invisible enemies inside you, these colorful gifts from nature are more than just snacks. They're life changers. Stay tuned to discover the untold secrets of fruits and their incredible impact on your health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because the next revelation might just change your life. In the quiet corners of bustling markets, where vibrant colors catch the eye and sweet aromas linger in the air, lies an unspoken truth about fruits. They are not merely objects of beauty or fleeting indulgence. They are silent guardians of human well-being. For centuries, civilizations have revered them as symbols of vitality and prosperity, yet few truly understand their profound influence on the body. Beneath their juicy flesh and sugary allure, fruits harbor a complex network of nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants that work tirelessly to protect us from within. Take the humble orange, for instance. Its bright peel hides a treasure trove of vitamin C, a nutrient so powerful it can fortify the immune system against countless threats. But its benefits don't stop there. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production, the protein responsible for keeping skin supple and joints flexible. Without it, the body would succumb to brittleness, aging prematurely both inside and out. This is why sailors of old dreaded scurvy, a disease caused by vitamin C deficiency, but found salvation in citrus fruits during long voyages. Today, we may no longer face such dire circumstances, but the lessons remain. Small choices, like eating an orange, ripple through our bodies in ways we often overlook. And then there's the avocado, a fruit often mistaken for a vegetable due to its savory taste. Unlike its sugary counterparts, the avocado is rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which play a crucial role in heart health. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol, creating a protective shield around one of the body's most vital organs. Beyond its cardiovascular benefits, avocados are packed with potassium, a mineral that regulates blood pressure and supports muscle function. It's no wonder this creamy fruit has become a staple in modern diets, celebrated not only for its flavor but for its ability to nurture the body from the inside out. Yet, the magic of fruits extends far beyond individual nutrients. When consumed together, they create a symphony of health benefits that no single food can achieve alone. Berries, for example, are bursting with antioxidants like anthocyanins, compounds that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Pairing them with yogurt or nuts amplifies their effects, creating a meal that feeds both the gut microbiome and the brain. This synergy highlights the importance of diversity in our diets, a principle often forgotten in today's fast-paced world. By embracing a variety of fruits, we unlock their full potential, ensuring that every bite contributes to our overall well-being. As science continues to unravel the mysteries of these natural wonders, one thing becomes clear: fruits are more than sustenance. They are allies in our quest for longevity and vitality, offering solutions to some of the most pressing health challenges of our time. Whether it's reducing the risk of chronic diseases, enhancing mental clarity, or simply brightening our days with their sweetness, fruits remind us of nature's generosity. Their presence in our lives is a gift, one that demands appreciation and understanding. So the next time you pass by a basket of apples or a cluster of grapes, pause and consider the unseen forces at play. Each piece holds the promise of transformation, waiting to be unleashed by those willing to embrace their power. While fruits wage war against external threats like pollution and stress, their true battleground lies deep within the human body. Here, in the microscopic realm of cells and molecules, they confront adversaries that threaten to undermine our health. Free radicals, unstable molecules formed as a byproduct of metabolism, roam freely, damaging DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Left unchecked, they contribute to aging, cancer, and a host of degenerative diseases. Enter fruits, armed with antioxidants, nature's warriors tasked with neutralizing these destructive forces. Consider blueberries, often hailed as a superfood for their exceptional antioxidant content. Their deep blue hue comes from anthocyanins, pigments that not only give the berries their striking color, but also serve as potent defenders against oxidative damage. Studies suggest that regular consumption of blueberries can improve cognitive function, reduce inflammation, and even delay the onset of age-related memory decline. In essence, these tiny fruits act as guardians of the mind, preserving mental acuity and emotional balance in an increasingly chaotic world. But the battle doesn't end there. Fruits also play a critical role in maintaining gut health, a cornerstone of overall wellness. The digestive tract is home to trillions of microorganisms collectively known as the gut microbiome, which influence everything from digestion to immunity to mood. Certain fruits, like kiwis and papayas, contain enzymes that aid in breaking down food, easing digestion, and preventing discomfort. Others, such as bananas and apples, provide prebiotic fiber, a type of carbohydrate that feeds beneficial bacteria, fostering a thriving ecosystem within the gut. A balanced microbiome, in turn, strengthens the immune system, regulates hormones, and promotes mental well-being, underscoring the interconnectedness of all bodily functions. Moreover, fruits possess unique properties that make them indispensable in the fight against chronic illnesses. Take pomegranates, whose ruby red seeds are loaded with punic halogens, powerful antioxidants linked to reduced inflammation and improved heart health. Research shows that pomegranate juice can lower blood pressure, enhance circulation, and even slow the progression of prostate cancer. Similarly, watermelon, despite its high water content, contains lycopene, a carotenoid associated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. By incorporating these fruits into our diets, we arm ourselves with tools to combat ailments that afflict millions worldwide. However, the relationship between fruits and health is not always straightforward. Modern agricultural practices, environmental pollutants, and genetic modifications have altered the nutritional profiles of many fruits, sometimes diminishing their effectiveness. Pesticide residues, for example, can negate the benefits of otherwise nutritious produce, introducing toxins that harm rather than heal. To maximize the advantages of fruits, it's crucial to choose organic options whenever possible and prioritize seasonal, locally sourced varieties. Doing so ensures that we reap the full spectrum of benefits without compromising our health. Despite these challenges, the evidence supporting the role of fruits in disease prevention and management is overwhelming. From combating diabetes with low glycemic options like cherries and grapefruits to alleviating symptoms of depression with serotonin-boosting bananas, fruits offer solutions tailored to individual needs. Their versatility makes them accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds, bridging cultural divides and uniting humanity under a common goal, achieving optimal health. As awareness grows, so too does the realization that fruits are not mere accessories to meals but foundational elements of a balanced lifestyle. As humanity stands on the brink of unprecedented technological advancements, the question arises, what role will fruits play in shaping our future? Already, scientists are exploring innovative ways to harness their potential, from developing bioactive supplements to engineering new varieties with enhanced nutritional profiles. Imagine a world where strawberries are bred to contain higher levels of ellagic acid, a compound shown to inhibit tumor growth, or where mangoes are fortified with additional vitamin A to combat global deficiencies. Such breakthroughs could revolutionize healthcare, making preventive medicine more accessible and effective than ever before. At the same time, the cultural significance of fruits continues to evolve. In ancient times, they were revered as symbols of fertility, abundance, and divine favor. Today, they occupy center stage in movements advocating for sustainability, mindfulness, and holistic living. Social media platforms overflow with images of smoothie bowls, fruit platters, and exotic concoctions, inspiring millions to adopt healthier habits. Yet, this newfound popularity raises important questions about accessibility and equity. While affluent communities enjoy an abundance of fresh produce, marginalized populations often struggle to access affordable, nutritious options. Bridging this gap requires collective effort, from policymakers investing in urban agriculture to individuals supporting local farmers markets. Looking ahead, education will play a pivotal role in ensuring that the legacy of fruits endures. Teaching children about the origins, benefits, and preparation of fruits fosters a lifelong appreciation for these natural wonders. Schools around the globe are already integrating gardening programs and nutrition workshops into their curricula, empowering students to take charge of their health. Meanwhile, researchers are delving deeper into the molecular mechanisms underlying fruit-derived compounds, uncovering new applications in medicine, cosmetics, and beyond. The possibilities are limitless, limited only by our imagination and commitment to progress. Ultimately, the story of fruits is one of resilience, adaptability, and hope. Through wars, famines, and epidemics, they have remained steadfast companions, nourishing bodies and uplifting spirits. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, let us remember the lessons they teach. That simplicity often holds the greatest wisdom, that nature provides all we need to thrive, and that small choices can yield monumental outcomes. By embracing fruits, not just as foods, but as partners in our journey toward wellness, we honor the past, enrich the present, and secure a brighter future for generations to come. If you enjoyed this exploration of the incredible world of fruits, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting adventure of discovery. Together, let's uncover the secrets of nature and transform our lives, one bite at a time.